really won't be able to tell. I need one of those like roll brushes to do so I can like puff them out. But really, I just took like some, you know, Aussie, put it inside my hair, scrunched up with my fingers, move it to the side so I can on my side look. Or, you know, I have like a little scar on the side of my head that I don't like to show, so you put it like this. Either way, you won't really tell that much until you do something like this. The one that I found that I like the most is if I like go all the way out with it like this. Take like this clip that I stole from my roommate Jenny. She still wants it back, but she will never get it. Anyways, if I did it like kind of crazy, put it up, kind of like a, I don't want to say like mohawk or anything, I don't know. My boy calls it like the rocker style. Put it kind of like that, off to the side, a little, kind of cute, you know? So, I'm very happy that Jessica made me do it, because I wouldn't have done it, but I was really, really bored, so I was like, oh, you know, I might as well cut off, and I have nothing else to do because Jessica won't come over tonight on this beautiful Thursday, so, I don't know, that's it. I don't know if you like it. If you like it, tell me. If you don't write anything. Don't be a hater.